Portable document format, simply known as PDF, is used to organize documents so that it will not be easily altered. When you save a file in PDF, it helps you to maintain the format of that particular file when you are sending it across the internet. In this video, I am going to share with you how to convert a PDF file to Microsoft Word format so that you can be able to edit it. For example, I have in this folder a PDF file. Let me open it. I don't have Acrobat Reader here, so I am going to use Microsoft Edge. This is the PDF file. You cannot be able to edit it because it is restricted. So if you want to edit this file, there are different methods we are going to use. I am going to share you 3 methods of doing this. Please watch till the end so that you'll be able to learn them. You don't need to skip. So the very first method we are going to use is by using an online tool. If you come to Google and search for small PDF, then press enter. This is the first result. We are going to open it. Let's view it in a new tab. From here, all you will need to do is to open that particular file. So I will open it now. Navigate to the location and open the file. So this, an online tool known as Small PDF, will process this file. After the processes, it will bring up this option for me to convert. So I will choose this first option. I will not be converting it as OCR, that is Object Character Reader. You will need to pay in order to use this option. So I'll click on this Convert button and wait for it to finish this conversion. After the conversion, you will see the file here. It is now .doc, that is document file. All you will need to do next is to download this file. So I will click on this download button and it is downloading here. As you can see, this is the file. Let me open it. After opening, you will have enabled this editing button. So you can see now, from now you will be able to edit this file. For example, if I don't like this thing here, I can just highlight and delete it, just like your normal Word document. You can add new text and all of that. This is magical. The name of the tool we used is known as Small PDF. I will put the link in the description box below. The second method of doing this is by using a tool known as PDFGear. So if I come to Google and type PDFGear, you will see this. Then all you will need to do is to download this. I have already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it again. I will also put this link in the description box below. What I will do now is to open that same file using that PDFGear. So I'll just double click it, or you can right click and open with it. When the file opens, I am right here in PDFGear Software. So if I want to edit this document, what I will now do is to come to this option here where we have edit. I'll click on it, then click on edit text. After that, this file can now be edited. All you will need to do is just to click wherever and make your editing, just as if you are working with Microsoft Word or any other Word documents. You can see the editing. When you are done with your editing, you will then click on Exit Editing button here. From there, it will ask you to save the changes you have made. You click yes, then also click save here. Once you do that, this option will be updated. Let's open it again so that you see what I mean. As you can see, this is the updated version, whereas this is the initial version. So it is either you use an online tool known as Small PDF here, or you use a software known as PDFGear. I'll put the link to all of them in the description box. And the number 3 method of doing this is by using Microsoft Word itself. Let us see the process. So let me go to the file. This time I will be opening it with Microsoft Word. Once you open, it will ask you, it will give you this warning. Just click OK to accept it. Voila! We have our PDF file open in Microsoft Word format. The only issue we have here is that this bullet points is no longer in the same line. So if you have small documents, you can just press enter to edit them correctly. But if you have too many pages that may take you time, you can use our first option. I hope this video was helpful. We made a video on how to convert Word documents to PDF. The video is popping up now. You can also find the link in the description box below. Kindly click on the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to others. Until next time, keep learning.